a beautiful morning on a beautiful day. The sun has finally decided to grace us with its presence. Now, I don't know about you, but I've got a shit ton of nettles in my garden and I need them gone. It's a very good thing then that nettles are an amazing ingredient. Nettles have been a staple in European cuisine for about 3,000 years. Traditionally, they'd be used in teas and soups, and it is believed that they hold a wealth of nutritional value. This is because they are packed with vitamins and minerals. They've got vitamins A, C, K and B, and they have minerals such as calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium and a few others. Although the research is thin on the ground, there is anecdotal evidence that nettles are able to alleviate the symptoms of arthritis and various skin conditions. However, I am not a nutritionist. I'll leave that in the capable hands of professionals. But I am a chef, so I'm interested in their culinary properties. So today I am making a Nettle Pesto, and that is going with a T-bone steak and a Samphire and asparagus salad. Also, YouTube has informed me that about 90% of the people that watch my videos aren't subscribed. So, no pressure. If you like the videos I'm making, of course a subscribe would be appreciated. If you don't want to see my face that often, I completely understand. Now, when picking nettles, you're going to want to make sure that you're picking the younger leaves. These will be the ones at the top, and some of them will sting you, so be very careful. So we're going to get our nettles into some simmering water for about a minute, making sure to keep them below the surface of the water. We're then going to drain and keep that water because it makes an absolutely amazing tea. We're then going to shock our nettles in some iced water, and once they're cooled we take them out and squeeze any excess water, get that into a blender, and then we're going to go in with some basil, some Parmesan and grate some garlic. We're going to start blending that on low, and once it's mixed up a bit we're going to start drizzling in our oil. Once that is done, set aside, and now we're going to get on to our salad. So we're going to go to Romanesco cauliflower. If you cannot find one, a regular cauliflower will do the trick. And we're going to take the florets off that. Now we're going to try and keep the florets to roughly the same size. Get them into a baking tray, drizzle with oil, salt, pepper. Make sure they're all well mixed, and then get them into an oven at 200 degrees for about 20 minutes. We're then going to wash and dry our samphire. Then we're going to heat some oil in a pan. Get your shallot into the pan. We don't want to be frying this too hard, we just want to heat everything through. We then go in with our asparagus, our samphire, a squeeze of lemon, and some garden peas. Take off the heat and put aside, and then we're going to get our steak into a very hot pan and get it seared on both sides. When it's nearly done, add some butter and start basting to get a lovely crust on it. We're then ready to start plating up. Get your salad on the plate in any orientation that you want. Then top with your roasted cauliflower, get a nice amount of pesto on your steak, and enjoy.